Okay.
Hi, my name is Jaden. This is my first day of school. And then the first thing I did is make a star, go to the bathroom. Then I went out of the bathroom. Then I went back to make a star. I put some glue on stuff. Then I put glitter on. Then I washed my hands. Then I went to play. Then she rang the bell. And we went all through the circle, triangle things. Then we had a story. Then when she rang the bell again, she wanted us to play outside. Then we came back into school, into our room. Then we waited in there for a little bit. Then we came back out of the room. Then we waited for the school buses to come. Then we went back in the room. Then we went in our mailboxes. She handed the mailboxes out. Then she said, "Put your mailbox by your backpack." Then you zip by it. Then she said, "Put your paper in your school thing, your backpack." Then she did. Then we came back out. Then she bring us to a school bus. Then I went in, and the school bus girl waited for all the kids to come in. Then she shut the door, then she went. That's what she said. There. Now then.
What was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is making a star and playing at the playground.
Cool. What did you think of riding the bus?
Boring.
Boring?
Bus driver's evil, that's why.
Did you get to ride with your brothers?
Yeah, but I didn't get to sit by them.
Why not?
Because
it's her first day.
and I needed to get used to it.
And were you used to it?
No.
No?
Then I got used to it.
Then you got used to it. Okay.
That's all I did.
All right.
How much